to utilize as much space as I have available to fit as many machines per square inch. I think the term is called variance per utilization when it comes to putting down equipment down. Cool. Right, let's get this open. So let's open it up. Open the doors. Let's go. And I wonder when I'm able to actually fix this up. But for the time being, we don't have that much money, quite frankly. So we need to get some funds in place. And we already got 2 customers. Wow. Jeez. It's like they were fiending to come in. I was in the real world, like this would be possible. With use of obviously marketing the business for at the grand opening special. You might see this many people come in to drop off their orders, but it doesn't come in fast, right? At least not like the orders. Gotta wait. And as of right now, it doesn't seem to be a big difference in regards to the speed of how the wash machines and dryer operate. I guess in due time we'll see if there is difference at all. You know. Oh, no. All right. Typically, in the real world thing, we wouldn't want to put so many orders like this so fast. Primarily due to you do that, you have a chance of messing up when it comes to misplacing someone's item with another order, or mixing up another person's item with another order. But I highly doubt it's possible in this game setting. Everything is quote unquote labels. All right, so it's an iron board. Now, when you're first starting off, I noticed this from most new people who get into the laundry industry. They do, even I did it. They go way beyond to make sure their customers are happy, which is a good thing. But typically, the longer you're in any industry, especially this industry, I found we all kind of get complacent with the way our practices compared to when we first started. You know, we don't, especially say wouldn't go beyond to to please the customer. We just don't do the extras that we would kind of do in the beginning of saying yes to everything and do every single task. Dryer. Specifically for these tags, you would end up charging extra. I know when I first started, I did not do that. Did not charge extra to do the ironing. I was like, oh yeah, of course I can do that. And then later on, once you start getting really busy, it gets really hard to do these tasks unless you have things streamlined with enough people essentially. Oh, someone's waiting. She can't back that.